Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Wyze Battery Video Doorbell and Ring Battery Video Doorbell to see which one offers better smart home security. From video quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Wyze Battery Video Doorbell has a sleek, compact black gloss design that's lightweight and easy to mount on most door frames. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell features a slim plastic body in satin nickel or bronze that's also weather-ready, designed for a minimal profile and easy removal when charging is needed. Wyze streams at 1536 by 1536 HD with a 150-degree by 150-degree wide-angle view, so you get a full head-to-toe. Look at your doorstep. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell records at 1440 by 1440 HD with a 150-degree horizontal and 150-degree vertical field of view, giving similarly broad coverage of people and packages. Wyze supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast app connectivity and reliable streaming. It runs on a built-in 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery with up to 6 months of use and can also be hardwired for continuous power. The Ring Battery Doorbell connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and runs on a non-removable rechargeable battery that can be trickle-charged if hardwired, though you'll need to remove it for full USB charging. The Wyze model includes motion detection, AI-based person detection with subscription, two-way audio, night vision, and customizable motion zones, while the Ring Doorbell offers advanced motion alerts, person and package detection via Ring Protect Plan, real-time notifications, and deep integration with the Ring ecosystem and Alexa devices. The Wyze Battery Video Doorbell was launched in October 2025 and is priced at around $65.98 USD, making it a budget-friendly option. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell was released in September 2020 with a starting price of about $99 USD, going up to around $129 USD depending on the bundle and accessories. The Wyze Battery Video Doorbell is best for users wanting an affordable, high-resolution doorbell with solid core features and low entry cost, while the Ring Battery Video Doorbell is ideal for users who want a more polished ecosystem experience, stronger smart home integration, and advanced subscription-based security features. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.